you're starting out with $0 and want to earn $10,000, $20,000, or even $30,000 a month without any upfront investment, then you'll want to stick around. If you're here because you're stuck in a job you dislike, living paycheck to paycheck, and desperately searching for a way out, I completely understand. I created this video specifically for people in your position because I've been there too. I know what it's like to search endlessly on YouTube, hoping to find the perfect side hustle that can make enough money to leave a 9-to-5 job and take full control of time and finances. I've always been someone who jumps right in and takes action on any opportunity that shows promise. I've tried just about every online side hustle you can think of. I want to be transparent. Some of these ventures led to financial losses, but some worked incredibly well, generating multiple six-figure incomes in less than a year. It was this success that finally enabled me to quit my grueling 12-hour shift job and never look back. But let me tell you, things have changed a lot since I first started making money online. With advances in technology and AI, you can now kick off a side hustle and turn it into a highly lucrative business that can bring in $10,000, $30,000, or even more per month faster than ever before. That's why in this video, I'm going to reveal a profitable way to make money online, starting today. This idea is beginner-friendly and can be executed from anywhere, even if you've never ventured into online businesses or side hustles before. And if you stay until the end, I'll share the exact online apps and AI tools that will do most of the heavy lifting for you. I'll also reveal one of my favorite traffic strategies that can get you making money from day one. So, if you're ready to break free from endlessly searching YouTube for side hustle ideas, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and save this video so you won't lose track of it. Now, let's jump into the first online income idea. This one involves tapping into the evergreen and highly profitable fitness niche with print-on-demand products. While print-on-demand itself isn't exactly a brand new concept, the technology behind it has evolved to make it one of the simplest and most profitable ways to earn money online, especially when paired with the right AI tools. If you think you already know all there is to know about print-on-demand, think again. I'm going to show you two specific high-demand products that you can create in just minutes using one of the best print-on-demand apps. With print-on-demand, you can create and sell customized products without holding any inventory. When someone buys a product, it's created and shipped directly to them by the service provider. No upfront costs, no inventory headaches. This makes it easy to get started and start earning quickly. By combining your unique creativity with AI-powered design tools, you can produce eye-catching fitness gear, motivational water bottles, gym accessories, and more, tailored to a global market that craves fresh, exciting products. The secret to success is blending your ideas with advanced AI tools and smart marketing techniques. And as promised, if you watch until the end, I'll reveal the specific app that simplifies the entire design process, as well as a traffic strategy that will bring customers straight to your store. So, if you're ready to transform your life and break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, keep watching to see how you can start building your own successful online income stream today. The first product I want to talk about is personalized gym duffel bags. As you can see on my screen, this product has a proven track record of success on Etsy. One seller has already made over $70,000 with this item. And it's not just one duffel bag seeing success. Many sellers are consistently making sales with duffel bags. Using the Allura app, which I rely on to track trending, profitable Etsy products, you can easily see that duffel bags continue to generate consistent income for sellers. You might be thinking, that's great, but I have no idea where to source duffel bags or how to customize them. Fortunately, there's a simple solution. Let me introduce you to a powerful app that makes it incredibly easy to create and sell custom duffel bags in just a few minutes. And it even handles all the shipping. Enter Printify. As you can see on my screen, Printify is one of my favorite platforms. It allows anyone, even with no prior experience, to create and sell physical products with just a few clicks. I've included a link below to sign up for Printify. It's completely free to use, and you can even do this using just your phone. No laptop required. Printify's catalog features a wide range of products you can customize, including duffel bags. Here's how it works. You choose a product from their catalog, such as a duffel bag. Next, you upload or create a custom design using their easy-to-use editor. They even have an AI image generator to help you develop design ideas if you're unsure where to start. Once you're satisfied with your design, simply publish your product to your preferred online marketplace, like Etsy. Printify takes care of the rest, handling both the printing and shipping of every order for you. This means your store can generate sales and make money for you 24/7, all on autopilot. Now, let's move on to another profitable, fitness-related print-on-demand product you can start selling today, one you probably didn't even know existed: supplements. Yes, you can actually customize and sell supplements with your own branding through Printify. This includes products like protein powder and vitamin gummies. Printify's supplement line lets you create custom labels and sell these high-demand products as your own brand. If you're wondering about demand, supplements are among the highest-selling items on TikTok right now, making this a golden opportunity. By using Printify to white label and customize supplements, you can tap into this booming trend and stand out with your own branded products. These are just two examples of profitable opportunities in the fitness niche using print on demand. There are countless ways to leverage Printify's extensive catalog and combine it with your creativity to make money online. All you need to do is pick a product and get started. And remember, driving traffic to your products is essential to your success. Let me know if you'd like a video on driving traffic to your store. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content.